Glucerna, Diabetes Nutritional Shake, to help manage blood sugar, rich chocolate and homemade vanilla. Immune system support, with nutrients to help support immune system health, including protein, vitamins A and E, zinc, and antioxidants, vitamins C and E. Help manage blood sugar. Glucerna shakes have carbs D, unique blends of slow-release carbohydrates to help minimize blood sugar spikes. Great as a meal or snack replacement. Delicious taste to help curb cravings. Making a smart choice can still be delicious with Glucerna shakes. Listen to the professionals. Glucerna is the doctor-recommended brand for people with diabetes. Rich, delicious flavors. Glucerna shakes come in 5 amazing flavors you'll love. Rich chocolate, homemade vanilla, creamy strawberry, classic butter pecan, and chocolate caramel. Eligible to be purchased with Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, benefits. In select stores, the SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assurance Program, name is a service mark of the U.S. Department of Agriculture. USDA does not endorse any goods, services, or enterprises.